Hey everyone, I hope you're doing okay today. I'm going to be reviewing the REI HDMI splitter. It's going to take one HDMI signal, it's going to split it into two. One thing to keep in mind is you're not going to want to use more than a 30-foot HDMI cord because it's going to affect the quality of the signal. Other than that, it's going to work really well. You do need to power it, and you'll see here you got a USB-C to a USB-A to be able to power it, so you're going to need that. Otherwise, it's a solid unit here, very nice. And by the way, I did get sent this to review, so keep that in mind. But it definitely is a very nice product. Now, one other thing to keep in mind is it's just going to duplicate your display. It's actually not going to extend this display to have something different. So if you're showing a game from an Xbox or a PlayStation, it's just going to duplicate it onto two different screens without any issues. It is HDMI 1.4 and earlier backwards compatible. It does support HDCP, but it does not bypass it. So if you're using this to try to pirate videos or anything, it's not going to do it. It's just going to extend to those two screens. Had no issue with this. Really liked the product. Just taking a look here online, it's got 4.2 stars with 164 rating. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.